Download and install IntelliJ IDEA, Java and Kotlin IDE. I'm going to show you how to download and install IntelliJ IDEA, a powerful Java and Kotlin IDE in Windows. IntelliJ IDEA is a commercial IDE, but it has a free community edition that is available for download. The first step is to open your web browser. You can use any web browser that you like, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Once your web browser is open, search on Google IntelliJ IDEA. Click on IntelliJ IDEA, the leading Java and Kotlin IDE, JetBrains. IntelliJ IDEA, the leading Java and Kotlin IDE. The IDE that makes development a more productive and enjoyable experience. Then click on Download. Then click on Windows. To download IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate, the leading Java and Kotlin IDE, free 30-day trial. Click on Download. If you want to download IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition is completely free to use. Then scroll down to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition, the IDE for pure Java and Kotlin development. Then click on Download. Free, built on open source. Once the download is complete, run the installer. The installer will guide you through the installation process. Just follow the instructions on the screen and you will be up and running in no time. Once the installation is complete, you can verify that IntelliJ IDEA is installed by opening the Start menu and searching for IntelliJ IDEA. If IntelliJ IDEA is installed, you should see it listed in the Start menu. That's it. You have now successfully downloaded and installed IntelliJ IDEA in Windows. Associative, your gateway to innovative IT solutions and digital success. Boost your business with Associative's comprehensive services. Android app development, iOS app development, cross-platform app development, web application development, website development, digital marketing, search engine optimization (SEO), YouTube marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, market research services. Leveraging cutting-edge technologies. We possess expertise in a diverse range of programming languages and technologies. Our proficiency extends to the following: C++, Java, Jakarta E, Spring, Spring Boot, Hibernate, EJB, and Java Persistence API, JPA, Kotlin, Swift, SwiftUI, Flutter, and PHP. We employ a variety of robust databases to facilitate our work. Our preferred options include Oracle Database, MySQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. For application server requirements, we rely on reputable platforms that offer reliability and efficiency. Our preferred choices encompass Oracle WebLogic Server, Eclipse Glassfish, and Apache Tomcat. Our team possesses expertise in a wide range of platforms, ensuring we can cater to diverse needs. We have extensive experience in working with Laravel, Selenium, Appium, Magento, WordPress, Joomla, OpenCart, Drupal, Shopify, and PrestaShop. These platforms enable us to deliver comprehensive solutions tailored to our clients' specific requirements. To facilitate our development process, we employ a suite of industry-leading IDEs and development tools. Our toolkit includes Android Studio, Xcode, IntelliJ IDEA, PHP Storm, JetBrains Aqua, CLion, and DataGrip. These robust tools empower our team to efficiently create and enhance software solutions while maintaining the highest standards of quality and productivity. To meet the diverse cloud computing needs of our clients, we possess expertise in multiple industry-leading platforms. Our proficiency extends to Amazon Web Services, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, GCP, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. These platforms offer a comprehensive range of cloud services and solutions, empowering us to architect, deploy, and manage robust and scalable applications with enhanced security and reliability. Amazon Web Services, AWS. Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Microsoft Azure. Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, OCI. Contact us now via WhatsApp at 90288505524. Email us at info@associative.in. Visit our website at associative.in, associative.co.in. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business to new heights with Associative's tailor-made solutions. Our team of experts is ready to collaborate with you and help you achieve digital success. Unlock your potential with Associative.